And so I really didn't even want to, I mean, I didn't like think I was going to focus on curly. I was going to become a colorist because what could you do in curly hair? And I got to tell you, that's where the schools are really, they're missing the boat. They need to focus on
Even
naturally
now?
curly hair. Oh, they're terrible. Like I have students
Okay.
now, we have to have a training program at Curls and Company. And I'm not totally prepared to always be doing it, but we have no choice. We have to teach them how to do naturally curly hair. The girl, what population, what all the curly audiences are seeing is on Instagram. But then they come to the salon, and all the new stylists need to know how to cut for these looks. So that's what we try to do. And I really think Lorraine Massey at Naturally, well, she she now has Spirals XYZ. She's the one who started Diva Shine and Diva Curl. And I wouldn't be doing curly hair if it wasn't for Diva Curl.